Y'all, it's so good.
You know you like that. You know you like that. You know you like that.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Today we are eating. Sorry, I said it like that. Sorry. But yeah, today we are eating. We're eating some Jack in the Box. It's a new burger that's a Jack in the Box. It's called the barbecue burger. And first we're gonna say grace before I open it. We're gonna say grace and we're gonna get to eat. God is great, God is good. Let us thank Him for our food, by His will fed. Thank you, Lord, for daily bread. Amen. Praise the Lord. Amen. See, I got me some curly fries. Got me some curly fries. Got me a strawberry Sprite, y'all. Forgive me for using the plastic straw, because I know the plastic people is out there. Judge me for using plastic. I'm sorry. But yeah, got me some chips, so. Okay, y'all. Let me. Jack in the Box is my favorite place, y'all. I hope y'all can hear me. But yeah, let's get this burger open. Let's be triple layered. Trust you. Y'all, I would like to give a thank you to Keeping Up G and B Gang the Whites. Y'all, that channel is my biggest support. Because B teaches me new stuff every time I see y'all, every time. And I'd just like to say thank you to y'all. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And y'all look at that. Lord, I've been putting on. Okay. I don't like onions, y'all, sorry. I like onion rings. I don't like them onions. Oh. I'm in burger heaven, y'all. That's good. Y'all, it's so good. Jack in the Box, y'all did y'all thing. Hey, that's good. Yo, I keep saying it's good, but it is. It's so good. Sorry, I'm not doing a whole lot of talking in this video neither. Just good. Y'all need to go buy y'all one. It's $12.99 or Jack in the Box. Y'all go hit up Jack in the Box and get y'all one. That's good. But yeah, y'all let me get back to G and B Gang the Whites on how they support me. Y'all, they comment on every video. I thank y'all for that. They like every video. I love them for that. And when they subscribe, they bring over some of their subscribers to my channel. And I would also like to thank y'all for that. They are big supporters of me, and I would like to say thank you a million times over. Thank you. Because y'all, I was not into this YouTube thing until they persuaded me to get into this YouTube thing. I was not into it. But ever since I got into it, my followers on Instagram has boom. I'm so happy. I'm happy. I'm happy. And thank y'all again. Thanks to everybody. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sorry y'all for the fans in the background, but it's hot in my room, so I got to keep them fans on. I said in my room, in my surrounding area. Let's say that, in my surrounding area. Well, y'all, I hope y'all had a wonderful day today. Wonderful day, night, evening, whatever. Not whatever, but yeah. I just straight up like that. But yeah, I hope y'all had a wonderful day, night, evening, whatever it is where you at. And my day was wonderful. I hope your day was wonderful, night, evening, whatever. Everybody just stay prayerful. Pray. Because God will make a way. Y'all see that? What I just did right there. Pray, and God will make a way. Sorry. That's I like that. Because I just did that. But okay. So, everybody, please like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Please. And I love you all. So, y'all have a great day, night, whatever I just said before. And I will see y'all next time.
You're telling me to